Hello again, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a wrenn locomotive that I recently got hold of, and it's the, where is it, here we are, it's the red or Crimson Lake 264 tank. So it's a sort of a fantasy livery because obviously it's an engine that wasn't built until British Railways were in existence. Although it is derived from the earlier LMS 264 tanks by Fowler and Stanier and Fairbairn. So it appears in a set here, a good set, and later on in the catalogue, let's have a look through here. Got locos of the LNER, British Railways engines, and on this page we've got some well some LMS locomotives, of which two of them are actually proper LMS locos. The rest of these obviously aren't. So it's W2219, and I think that's actually the wrong number on it, because my one is where are we? My one is here, 2679. So I think they've used a photograph on that page from the previous year. But it's a nice locomotive, and on the page where the where are we? On the page where the loco is, there you are, you've got a Great Western 264 tank as well. Yeah, it's got this little bit here about valve gear, and wrenn models include side motion appropriate to the prototype engines, and to my knowledge wrenn are the only ones that actually, and Hornby Dublo of course before them, they're only ones that modelled this. Here you've got the piston here, and then above it you've got the piston valve. So this operating piston here operates the valve, which admits the steam and exhausts the steam, and this actually moves along with the all the link rods in the wall shafts valve gear. If you look at, I've looked at my Princesses from the 2000s, early 2000s, and they don't have this feature. It just doesn't move. So it'd be interesting to hear if anyone has got a more modern locomotive where the valve gear actually does operate the valves, you know. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at that on the railway. So here she is, number 2679, and it's entirely a metal casting, and yeah, considering, I think the detail on it is actually quite good. There you are, I think we're in focus there. You've got a little bit of extra plumbing there on top of the firebox. You've got the safety valves, and yeah, then ends of the cylinders are painted silver. Plenty of rivets on the buffer beam, so it's a fairly well detailed model, considering the techniques used in its construction. This is the valve gear. See if I can focus on this, and let's see if we can show this actual valve motion going here. Bit more power. Yeah, there you go. See that? That actually moves in and out there. So yeah, as I said, if there's any modern locos that do that, please let me know. But in my collection, I don't have anything else. Only the wrenn locos seem to do that. So here she is. She's got those. I think this model is roughly from 1976, and so are these coaches. The Train Hornby or Hornby Railways, whatever it is at the time, ex-Caledonian coaches. They never had seating in them, but they're quite appropriate looking coaches for an LMS engine. And I think especially on these 264 tanks, I think the valve gear is quite impressive in motion there, isn't it? And we've got the other one here, the Fowler one, and yeah, it's pretty impressive valve gear on there. And we come round there, and we've got on the inside track, we've got a modern-ish anyway, Hornby Railroad Ginty. So he's quite happy on the Super 4 track, and we're all maroon today. We've got the Maroon Princess, the Maroon Ginty, the Fowler, and the Riddles, all in maroon. And we've got little red Polly over here in the backyard of the Hornby factory. So let's enjoy a bit of running. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and the next one will be a Flying Scotsman related video. So we'll have the train set and two Flying Scotsman models, one in its A1 LNER form and the other one in a later form. before it got preserved. So that'll be something to look forward to, I hope, for you. And as I said, hope you enjoyed this video, and see you all next time. Bye.